Welcome to San Jose, the heart of Costa Rica, where comfort, culture, and genuine connection await. It's a place where you can truly unwind and be yourself, surrounded by the warmth of the local people and the beauty of the natural landscape. San Jose extends a special welcome to the mature gay traveler, offering a unique blend of experiences tailored to your interests and desires. Here, the rhythm is gentler, a welcome change from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Life here is guided by the national motto, Pura Vida, or pure life. It's more than just a saying, it's a way of life that permeates every aspect of Costa Rican culture. San Jose embraces diversity, celebrating individuality and fostering a sense of belonging for all. The city welcomes you with a warm Latin American heart, offering a genuine and authentic cultural experience. This makes it a secure and welcoming destination for men over 50, where you can feel comfortable and at ease exploring all that the city has to offer. Nestled in Costa Rica's stunning Central Valley, surrounded by lush mountains and breathtaking scenery, the city is a vibrant hub, full of energy and excitement. It's also the perfect gateway to natural wonders, offering easy access to rainforests, volcanoes, and pristine beaches. But before you venture out to explore the country's incredible biodiversity, take time to explore San Jose's rich history, evident in its architecture and museums. Immerse yourself in its vibrant art scene and savor the culinary delights that Costa Rica has to offer. Costa Rica was the first Central American nation, a true pioneer in social progress, to legalize same-sex marriage, a testament to its commitment to equality and inclusion. This ensures a tangible sense of safety and freedom for LGBTQ+ visitors, allowing you to relax and enjoy your vacation without worry. The city's gay scene is diverse, offering something for everyone, with everything from quiet lounges where you can enjoy a relaxing drink to lively clubs where you can dance the night away. These venues are welcoming to all ages, creating a vibrant and inclusive atmosphere. San Jose offers the perfect blend of adventure and tranquility, allowing you to tailor your experience to your preferences. Immerse yourself in the local culture and enjoy comfortable accommodations that cater to your needs. Here, you can craft a vacation as relaxing or stimulating as you desire, creating memories that will last a lifetime. You'll find all of this within a modern and progressive society that values diversity and inclusion. This guide will help you navigate the city with ease, providing you with insider tips and recommendations. We aim to ensure your trip is truly memorable, filled with unforgettable experiences and cherished moments. Let the Pura Vida spirit guide you, embracing the simple joys of life and connecting with the beauty that surrounds you. As you uncover San Jose's many treasures, you'll discover a city that is both vibrant and welcoming, offering a truly unique and unforgettable travel experience. Choosing the right neighborhood is key, and in San Jose, Escalante and Otoya stand out. Barrio Escalante is the city's premier gastronomic district, with restored homes housing acclaimed restaurants and stylish bars. The vibe is sophisticated yet unpretentious, perfect for leisurely evenings and world-class dining. Barrio Otoya, meanwhile, offers historic charm with neo-colonial architecture and tranquil, tree-lined streets. It's home to cultural gems like the Jade Museum and provides a peaceful retreat close to major attractions. Both neighborhoods are walkable, safe, and welcoming, offering a high quality of life and easy access to the city's best. Whether you prefer Escalante's culinary buzz or Otoya's elegance, you'll enjoy an immersive, comfortable stay. These districts are more than places to sleep. They're integral to your San Jose experience. A welcoming hotel sets the tone for your trip. It's the foundation upon which unforgettable memories are built. The right accommodation can transform a simple vacation into an extraordinary experience, offering not just a place to rest, but a sanctuary to recharge and connect with the local culture. And San Jose offers excellent options for mature gay travelers. From boutique hotels exuding charm to grand establishments boasting world-class amenities, there's something to suit every taste and preference. Colors Oasis Resort is a vibrant social hub, a place where connections are made and friendships blossom, with a pool, bar, and restaurant, ideal for connecting with the community. It's more than just a resort. It's a meeting point, a place to share stories and experiences with like-minded individuals. Hotel Santo Tomas, in a restored mansion, blends historic charm with modern comfort, offering a unique and sophisticated experience. The walls whisper tales of the past, while the amenities cater to the needs of the modern traveler, and is close to museums and nightlife. Step outside, and you're immediately immersed in the vibrant culture of San Jose. For boutique luxury, Hotel Grano de Oro stands out with its Victorian elegance, inclusive atmosphere, and top-tier dining. Indulge in culinary delights crafted with passion and precision, knowing that you're in a space that celebrates diversity and acceptance. Hotel Cacoldi offers a quiet, adults-only retreat in an Art Deco building, perfect for those seeking peace and privacy. Unwind in a serene setting, surrounded by the timeless beauty of Art Deco design. Each hotel is known for its warm hospitality and commitment to LGBTQ+ guests. You'll be greeted with open arms and treated with the utmost respect, ensuring a comfortable and affirming stay. Whether you want lively social spaces or tranquil elegance, you'll find a perfect fit. Each hotel offers a unique ambience, catering to different preferences and desires. These hotels provide more than comfort. They're gateways to the city's culture and community. They serve as starting points for exploration, offering easy access to the best that San Jose has to offer. Choose the one that matches your style and make it your home base. Let it be the place where you relax, recharge, and plan your next adventure. Your stay in San Jose begins with the right hotel. Select wisely and prepare for an unforgettable journey. San Jose is Costa Rica's cultural heart, offering a journey through history and art. Start at the Jade Museum, home to the world's largest collection of American jade and a window into pre-Columbian artistry. The Museo de Arte Costarricense, set in a former airport, showcases Costa Rican creativity and features the stunning Salón Dorado mural. Don't miss the Teatro Nacional, an architectural masterpiece where you can tour or enjoy coffee in its elegant lobby. These institutions are centrally located and provide a cool, engaging respite from the city bustle. Exploring them reveals the stories and spirit that shape Costa Rica. For the mature traveler, these venues offer beauty, history, and insight into the Pura Vida culture. Fill your days with art, history, and inspiration. After a morning filled with vibrant exploration, soaking in the sights and sounds of San Jose, the city's diverse dining scene offers the perfect midday retreat, a chance to unwind and indulge in culinary delights. From traditional Costa Rican fare to innovative international cuisine, there's something to satisfy every palate. For an authentic taste of the region, La Cocina de Lena serves upscale Costa Rican classics, prepared with fresh, local ingredients. The restaurant provides a warm, rustic setting. Think hearty stews, simmered to perfection with aromatic herbs and spices, and the freshest seafood, caught daily and prepared with a delicate touch. If you're in the mood for Peruvian flavors, Machu Picchu restaurant delights with vibrant ceviches, bursting with citrus and spice, and a range of Andean specialties, all served in an elegant atmosphere that transports you to the heart of Peru. For a more contemporary experience, Franco, located in the trendy Escalante neighborhood, is a modern bistro known for its creative, seasonal cuisine, innovative cocktails, and a chic, airy vibe that's perfect for a relaxed lunch. And for those seeking plant-based options, Arbol de Seda offers inventive vegetarian and vegan dishes, showcasing the versatility and deliciousness of plant-based cuisine. Enjoy your meal in a tranquil garden setting surrounded by lush greenery, proving that plant-based can indeed be gourmet. Each restaurant provides a unique, refined experience, ideal for lingering over lunch, savoring each bite, and enjoying the company of friends or family. Whether you crave the comforting flavors of tradition or the excitement of culinary innovation, you'll undoubtedly find a spot to relax, refuel, and recharge for the adventures that lie ahead. San Jose's culinary diversity is truly a highlight of any visit, offering a taste of the world in one vibrant city. So, savor the exquisite flavors, raise a glass to good company, and enjoy a leisurely afternoon in San Jose. Dining here is as much about the overall experience, the ambiance, the service, and the conversation, as it is about the exceptional food. As night falls, San Jose's gay nightlife comes alive, welcoming all ages and tastes. Start at La Avispa, a legendary club with Latin and pop music, diverse crowds, and iconic drag shows. Club El Teatro offers grand performances and themed parties in a theater-like setting perfect for entertainment and people-watching. For a relaxed vibe, L13 Cafe Bar, a kitschy queer dance saloon. This dive features ornate chandeliers and funky oddities. Smaller lounges are gaining popularity, offering sophisticated alternatives to high-energy clubs. The gay scene is concentrated downtown, making it easy to explore multiple venues in one night. Always use licensed taxis or ride-sharing apps for safe travel after dark. The local LGBTQ+ community is welcoming, and venues foster a respectful, fun atmosphere. Enjoy the celebration, connect with locals, and experience the city's joyful spirit. San Jose's nightlife is a highlight not to be missed. For wellness and relaxation, Hipalis Sauna offers a clean, welcoming space for mature gay men. More than a social venue, it's a place to de-stress and rejuvenate after a day of exploring. Facilities include steam rooms, saunas, private cabins, and a lounge for quiet socializing. The atmosphere is discreet and respectful, attracting a diverse clientele. It's an alternative to bars and clubs, ideal for those seeking calm and connection. Whether you're there for wellness or to meet others, Hipalis provides a judgment-free environment. Go with an open mind and enjoy a few hours of relaxation. Respect others' privacy and be mindful of your belongings. For the mature traveler, it's a valuable addition to the San Jose experience. Costa Rica is progressive, but understanding local customs ensures a smooth journey. Public displays of affection are uncommon, so take cues from locals. Discretion is valued, not secrecy. The gay scene is vibrant within designated spaces, but less visible on the street. Politeness and a gentle approach are appreciated in daily interactions. A friendly greeting goes a long way, and adapting to local norms shows respect. Be your authentic self while being a considerate guest. This balance opens doors to genuine connections and a warm welcome. As you prepare for San Jose, a few tips will ensure a comfortable, safe, and memorable trip. Pack lightweight layers, a rain jacket, and comfortable shoes. Weather can change quickly. Stay hydrated and use sunscreen even on cloudy days. Be mindful of your belongings. Avoid carrying valuables, use taxis or ride-sharing apps at night. Embrace the Pura Vida lifestyle, slow down, savor the moment, and don't overschedule. Engage with locals, practice your Spanish, and enjoy the city's contrasts. San Jose offers a unique blend of history, art, and vibrant LGBTQ+ life. Trust your instincts, be open, and let the city surprise you. You've earned this time to explore and celebrate who you are. Your San Jose adventure is sure to be unforgettable.